Sometimes we feel that our mind can no longer continue. Focus fades, decision-making becomes difficult, and even simple tasks feel overwhelming. These are not just signs of fatigue. They are warning signals from your brain saying, "I need rest." In this video, we will not only go through the key signs that show you have been overworking your mind, but at the end we will also introduce strategies that can bring calm back to your brain and help you regain energy and focus. So stay with us until the end, and if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Part 1. Cognitive signs. Before going into details, we should know that the first signs of mental fatigue appear in cognitive functions, our abilities such as focus, decision-making, and memory. When these areas are affected, the brain is clearly announcing that it needs to stop. In the following, we will review 3 cognitive signs that show your brain needs rest. 1. Reduced focus. When the brain is tired, even simple tasks like reading a short text or listening to someone become difficult. You may find yourself checking your phone repeatedly while studying or losing attention in a meeting. This shows the brain can no longer hold focus and needs to pause. 2. Difficulty making decisions. Small choices such as what to eat or which email to answer suddenly feel heavy. A tired brain cannot process information quickly, and even simple decisions become exhausting. 3. Frequent forgetfulness. When the mind has been overworked, short-term memory is affected. You may forget colleagues' names, passwords, or even what you intended to do just minutes ago. These lapses show the brain's storage capacity is depleted and needs recovery. Part 2. Emotional signs. Mental fatigue does not only affect cognitive abilities, it also influences our emotions. When the brain is overworked, controlling feelings becomes harder, and emotional reactions appear stronger than usual. In the following, we will present 3 emotional signs that show your brain is tired. 1. Irritability and quick anger. When the brain is tired, tolerance decreases. Even a small sound or a simple question can cause strong irritation. This shows the mind has lost its calm processing capacity and needs rest. 2. Loss of motivation. Activities that once excited you, such as meeting friends or starting a new project, now feel meaningless. This indicates your psychological energy has dropped and the brain can no longer generate motivation. For example, someone who loved exercising may now have no drive to go to the gym. 3. Unexplained anxiety or sadness. Mental fatigue can intensify negative emotions. You may feel worried or sad without any clear reason, even when external conditions are fine. This shows the mind is under too much pressure and needs calm. Part 3. Physical signs. The mind and body are directly connected. When the brain is tired, the body also begins to react. These signs are usually clearer and easier to recognize. In the following, we will review 3 physical signs that show your brain needs rest. 1. Frequent headaches. Mental pressure and overwork can lead to tension headaches, usually appearing at the end of the day or after long work. 2. Poor quality sleep. A tired brain cannot regulate natural sleep cycles. Even if you sleep for hours, you may still feel drained. For example, someone who sleeps 8 hours but still wakes up exhausted. 3. Constant fatigue. When the mind is overworked, the body also reacts. After a day of work, you may feel too tired to even walk or talk. This shows both mind and body need to stop. The body and mind are one system. When the mind is overworked, the body begins to protest too. Part 4. Behavioral signs. One of the clearest signs of mental fatigue appears in daily behavior. Changes in habits and routines show that the mind can no longer continue and is looking for quick escapes or compensation. In the following, we will present 3 behavioral signs that show your brain is running out of energy. 1. Getting lost in social media or aimless distractions. When the brain is tired, it looks for quick escapes. You may spend hours scrolling without purpose or binge-watching short videos. These behaviors show the mind is seeking instant rest. 2. Procrastination. Even simple tasks like washing dishes or replying to a short message are postponed repeatedly. This shows the brain no longer has the strength to start tasks and hides behind delay. 3. Reduced creativity. When the brain is tired, new ideas stop coming. You may feel stuck and unable to find fresh solutions to problems. This drop in creativity shows the mind needs recovery. If you notice most of your time is spent on aimless activities, it is a clear sign your brain cannot continue. In the end, we should know that the brain is like a powerful engine. If it runs non-stop, it overheats. The best thing to do is give it time to cool down. Simple but effective strategies can help the brain recover. In the following, we will introduce 4 practical strategies to restore calm to your mind. 1. Enough sleep. The most important medicine for the brain is quality sleep. With proper rest, your mind regains energy, focus, and decision-making ability. A single good night's sleep can reset your performance like a fresh start. 2. Meditation and deep breathing. A few minutes of calm can reset the mind. Even 5 minutes of focusing on your breath can lower anxiety and bring peace. You can simply close your eyes and breathe deeply for 5 minutes during the day to recharge. 3. Walking in nature. Changing your environment and seeing natural scenery refreshes the mind. For example, a short walk in the park can restore energy for the rest of the day. 4. Disconnecting from phones and social media. Even 1 hour away from your phone can work wonders. This gives your brain a chance to rest without constant stimulation. If you notice these signs in yourself, don't push harder, give your brain the rest it deserves. This will not only protect your health but also multiply your productivity and creativity. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share your own experiences of mental fatigue and the strategies that helped you in the comments below.